Hey y'all, Rainbow34 here. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and turn those notifications on so you won't miss a thing. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Now today, I'd like to show you a budget offering from Kizer. Now this knife, I had no intention of getting, but when I ordered my drop bear, it showed up down at the bottom was like, people also buy this knife. And I was like, N690, 29 bucks. Yeah, buddy, I'm gonna get it. And I'd like to show it to y'all. So without further ado, let's turn this camera around and have a closer look, shall we? Okay, folks, what we have here is a Kizer Vigor with green G10 scales. I love that texture of them scales. Got a little bit of a swell. Got a reversible pocket clip, not a deep carry, but that's okay. Grab it out of the pocket easy like that. I kind of like that, rather than a deep carry where you got to go fishing in your pocket for it. It's got a lanyard hole, steel liners with a little bit of jimping on the liner. I was wondering how this would look if I dye it. I think it might turn out pretty cool. But that green looks okay too. Got a very nice N690 blade, hollow grind, compound grind, nice wedge on top. And N690 is very nice. It's got a nice edge on it, very sharp. Nice little sharpening choil. It's got jimping on the blade also, so you get a firm thumb grip on there. Fits the hand really well. The chamfering on the scales gives you a good finger wrap. I find no hot spots at all on this knife. Very nice thumb studs. A captive pivot. Now this runs on washers instead of bearings, which can be okay. It's not going to be drop shutty, but it's pretty easy to deploy it. Close it up. Then washers can come in handy in harsh environments, sandy, dusty, whatever. You ain't got to worry about anything fouling up them washers, and you can rinse it out really well. It's got a nice snap to it. Liner locks, got some jimping on it, and as you can see, it presents itself very well. Got a nice lockup, I'd say about 35% maybe. But I love that blade, man. I mean, for 29 bucks, N690, compound grind, very nice brush satin finish. Of course, it's like most blades, it's a fingerprint magnet. But yeah, man, look at that. That's pretty cool. I'm glad I got it. It's a great EDC knife. Those washers are very smooth. And I took it apart, cleaned it, oiled it up, adjusted tension on it to my liking. Very tight, no play at all. Alright folks, what do y'all think of the Kizer Vigor? I'm glad I bought it. I will be carrying this from time to time. Okay folks, if you would please check out these videos popping up on the screen. And like I said, if you hadn't subscribed, please do so and turn the notifications on. I really appreciate it. And I love the knife community, and I love y'all. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. And until next time, bye now. Oh, almost forgot. Live life on the edge and stay sharp. Okay, bye now.